Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you a quick and fun way to make snowflakes. First, you're going to need coffee filters. If you don't have coffee filters, you can use tissue paper. I would recommend you putting the tissue paper in the shape of a circle. Next, you're going to need some washable markers. Just pick your favorite colors, however many you want. You'll need a spray bottle with water, and then you'll need scissors. Our first step is going to be to color a coffee filter or tissue paper. If you're using tissue paper, you're going to have to be very, very careful not to tear it. So I like to use my favorite colors. Sometimes I'll just go like this. Oopsies. Make some lines. I'll pick a new color. I like to make them look tie-dye. I'll use some gray. Make a couple circles. See if I make ovals, more like ovals. Ovals all around. Let's see, I'm gonna pick one more color. Maybe I'll pick red for this one. And do some more lines. Do lines up here. After you've colored it, you're gonna get your spray bottle and you're going to spray it until it's all wet. If you can see, the lines are starting to move around, so you can move the paper however you want the lines to go. Make the colors mix a little bit. Spray as much water on as you want. See how they're mixing a little bit? I'm going to put a little bit more down here. Just be very careful. Now you're going to let this sit. Let it dry all the way. I'll be back when mine dries. All right, friends, it's been a couple hours, so my snowflakes are finally dry. I feel like they came out pretty cool. So now I'm going to teach you how to cut them. Okay, so I'm going to take my first one and I'm going to fold it in half, just like that. Then I'm going to fold it again. See, so now it's like that. Fold it over one more time. Now you have the option to keep going another time or keep it like this. If you guys are going to cut, I suggest mommies and daddies and whoever's with you, they keep it this big, and then we're going to start cutting. So either they can cut or maybe even trace lines for you to cut. So right now I'm gonna just do squiggly. Just gonna go like this. I think that will look good. I want a hole in the middle of my snowflake, so I'm just gonna go and cut the tip off. Then I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna do circles and ovals on this one. So I'm just gonna go make a nice big circle here. Make sure you're leaving some that is not cut on the sides. And then on this side, I'm gonna do two little half circles. One and two. See, now look what happens when I open it up, okay? Here's one of my snowflakes. Oh, I think it came out so pretty. I'm gonna hang this one up in my room. Now I'll show you one more. I'm gonna take this one. This one got a little crumbly. That's okay. I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna fold that in half again. Gonna fold it again. And unlike the last one, I'm gonna do this one more time over. So it's gonna go over one more time. And try to straighten the edges a little bit. This one I'm gonna make this one pointy. So I'm just gonna cut down, cut up, cut down, cut up. See how it's pointy now? Then I'm gonna make this another little hole. Boop, cut that one off. Now I'm gonna make little tiny triangles in this one. Little triangles. Let's see how they turn out. Little triangles. I'll do one triangle over here that's a little bit bigger. Not too big. Pull it out. Maybe I'll do one more down here. Just a little tiny triangle. All right, are you ready? Let's pull it out. Oh my goodness, I love it already. Wow, look at that one. So you can just cut them however you like. I did a whole bunch so I can try all different kinds of shapes and sizes and designs. So I'll cut a couple more. I'll let you guys see. All right, friends, here are all my snowflakes. I hope you try this. If you do, please let me know. Let me see your pictures. Thanks again so much for watching and following along. Happy decorating!